Hey, to get the dynamic island on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, all you have to do is just to open the Google Play Store, select search bar and input this phrase dynamic island. So I can actually recommend you to find this icon, the dynamic island dynamic spot. I'm using it on any smartphone that I'm actually making these tutorials for you, and it works really nice and it's completely free. Now we have to wait for this downloading process. When it will be installed, we can click open and we will quickly set it up. After this, you will get this cool dynamic island effects. Click to open. Now just wait for this welcome screen, click next, and then we have to tap on the select apps. From this we have to select we have to select all apps by clicking here. So all apps will be able to view the notifications through the dynamic island. Then go back, select notification access. From this, select this dynamic spot application, click allow, then select draw on the screen, click allow. From this, we have to select the dynamic island from the installed apps. So it's right here, click on it, tap allow, and now click done. From this, let me show you how it looks when I click play. This is actually how the this is actually how the dynamic island look. This sound was actually the sound from my notification, so you don't have to worry. It's actually playing your notification sound. And from this we can still customize it when we go into this notifications. When we close this one, we can actually select which apps can activate the pop-up. We can set some system events, and when we go into the general, for the appearance, we can actually change the color of it. For example, if I want to get the red dynamic island, I can do this. Take a look. There we go. And now I can open it and view my notifications. So this is like really cool. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.